Hello there, people. Welcome to another adventure with me. Okay, so a friend of mine called me, told me to give him like $20 for this block. And shit, I did. I showed up and it was a decent core motor. So, here it is. She's horrible. She is filthy, but you see down in there? Those are pretty clean. So, if the valves are pretty clean, I'm interested to find out what's going on in there and why it looks like this. Right? Okay, so if I get it's in good condition. What's up? So if I get any likes on this one and some subscribers, gotta subscribe, guys. I guess I'll do a full build and we'll do it step by step. All right. See you later.